Well, good morning, YouTubers, friends, and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on July 14th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. We're going to start out here looking at our sun as it produced a solar flare last night. A lot happened last night. We had our corona hole wind stream affecting us, and then this departing solar flare. So not Earth-directed or affecting Earth, but definitely the first flare I've seen in quite a while on our sun, our very quiet sun. Stay aware and prepared, our sun could activate here really soon. Looking at the emerald spiral showing the small flare and mass ejection. Let's look at our earthquakes here the last 24 hours because it has been very busy. I don't know if whoever was in my live streams last night, I talked about something. I felt something. And then after my stream, a 7.3 earthquake struck Laiwui, Indonesia. Pretty much right after I shut my stream off at about 3 a.m. in the morning, this earthquake went off. And I remember saying that I felt something strange, like something was going to happen. And look at all these earthquakes afterwards, many large aftershocks, largest being a 5.8. Not to mention an hour and a half after the 7.3, or 2.5 hours later, the 6.6 goes off in Australia, in Broome, Australia, followed by two pretty sizable aftershocks. So very strange, active west side of the plate, a ring of fire. Holy smokes, like I seriously, I felt something was wrong. I even had ringing in my ears. And I felt very tired. I was like, okay, I'm going to cut this stream off. I'm going to go get some sleep. But the last 24 hours has been very busy for earthquakes. 4.5 here in Rick Janes. 4.9 in Greece, as well as a 4.3 and a 4.5. 4.5 here in the Owen fracture zone. 4.1 Farkar, Afghanistan, 172 kilometer depth. As well, 4.7 off the west coast of Sumatra. So large, shallower earthquakes following deep earthquakes. So at about 1:44 a.m. Central Time, a 4.6 at a 527 kilometer depth earthquake struck Fiji, and a large, shallow earthquake ensued. This is how earthquakes work. Let's get to the Pacific Disaster Center, showing all the latest disasters from around the world. And of course, we've got Tropical Storm Barry, who made landfall as a Category 1, but is quickly dying out, hitting a large, dry, high-pressure ridge. Earthquakes swarm here in Indonesia. Just look at all these earthquakes in the region. Largest being the 7.3 Indonesia. My lord. Stay aware and prepared. High surf advisory in Hawaii. Across the United States, early tornado warnings. New Orleans and Alabama from Tropical Storm Barry. As well, we have Invest Area 94E, Tropical Storm, is heading straight west in the Pacific Ocean. Not a threat right now, but could become something by the time it gets to Hawaii. Most recent volcanoes to update Reventador, Fuego, Popocatépetl, as well as Sabancaya, and Nevados de Chilian in Chile. So east side of the Ring of Fire, the volcanoes are going off, and the west side of the Ring of Fire, large earthquakes are happening. Let's hope there wasn't any tsunami with these large earthquakes. Let's have a look at latest images over Tropical Storm Barry. You can see still the big, huge swath of moisture collecting in the Gulf as it slowly moves north. 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteor-Earth Meteo Mike, showing here Tropical Storm Barry bringing in a lot of moisture into the Mississippi. Watch for extreme weather event across the northeastern United States as this low tracks northeast. Could possibly even reach the Atlantic provinces later in the week. We'll have to see. Keep an eye on that. Low pressure center developing across western prairies. Definitely will be bringing some thunderstorms, some convective energy yet again. Thunderstorms popping off today. There is an 80% chance of severe thunderstorm warnings here in Calgary today. So stay aware and prepared, all you stampeders. Not much to talk about in the Pacific. Asia still dealing with the monsoon rains. Nepal region reporting landslides, floods, extreme weather event happening there. Across Russia, tight convergence here, low and a high, and extreme temperatures. So watching for an extreme weather event, parts of western Russia, eastern United Kingdom, and Europe. Speaking of Europe, rain. A lot of rain. The next few days can be very cloudy across all of Europe as another low pressure system is coming from the north. Atlantic Ocean, quiet. Pacific Ocean, looking here at invest area number 94E. Tropical storm, not really amounting to much. South America, not much to talk about as well, except for Argentina. One low pressure system after another, battering it over the next 5 days. We'll see some very large amounts of snow. As you can see here, when it turns black, that is heavy, heavy snowfall. Leave you here with a quick look at our southern hemisphere anomaly. Low pressure systems are getting bigger, stronger, with deeper and lower level troughs. I want to thank you all for watching today. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family from around the world, as we like to stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.